Hey guys, what's up? It's Angelina. Today we're gonna do a little last minute Halloween outfit ideas. Honestly, I'm just pulling things out of my closet and trying to make outfits out of them. Hopefully I'm posting this on Friday because I need to get this out for you guys. And it's been a struggle. I've just been kind of busy. But I have 4 outfits that I thought about putting together for you guys. Let's jump into it. The first one is kind of like a 50s housewife type of vibe thing. Think like, you know, red lipstick, curled hair, poodle skirt type of vibe. I had this blue polka dot dress in my closet for like forever. I thrifted it like probably like 2 years ago or something like that, and it's just like sat in my closet, and every time I did like a closet clean out or something like that, or like was like decluttering clothes and getting rid of stuff, I just couldn't get rid of it. And it served its purpose this Halloween. So it's this like blue dress, and it's like polka dots and all that stuff, and then I layered it with like my white off the shoulder Pretty Little Thing top that I seriously wear all the time. Those shirts are some of my favorite. I want Pretty Little Thing to bring them out in like more colors again, because I swear to God, I have 3 out of I think the 4 colors, and I'm so mad that I don't have the other color. But they're so good. They're just so good. So I layered that. I did red lipstick, curled hair. At the bottom there's like a little tulle, and then I would wear these little like Mary Jane kind of small baby heel type shoes that I have, and it would just be a fun, cute look. You can definitely like amp it up, or you can also just kind of like also wear it around like your family, or like if you're having like not such a scandalous Halloween, I don't know. If you just wanted something a little bit more appropriate, you know. And then like of course like with like that kind of thing, like it's always like my halter top, like I can like make it looser, I can make it tighter, so whatever kind of look I'm going for, I feel like I can achieve in that dress. It's pretty basic, but like so simple, and I feel like all you really need are like a polka dot skirt or something like that, kind of like a button up top, tie it up, do red lipstick, maybe tie like a scarf around your neck, and you look just like kind of that like 50s kind of aesthetic. It's totally basic, but honestly when you're in a pinch and you're like, okay, I am gonna go to that party, you got something. There you go. This next outfit was like inspired by somebody I was talking to, because they were like, yeah, I was like an Eagle Scout or whatever when I was like a kid, or I don't know how old you are. And I was like, okay, cool. So then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be a freaking Girl Scout for Halloween. I have a green skirt already in my closet. I literally have this skirt in like 50 colors. Okay, I lied. I probably have it in like 8 colors, but like literally the same skirt in 8 different colors. So I literally was like, okay, I'm gonna do the green, I'm gonna pair it with like that same Pretty Little Thing white top. It's just so versatile. It's so good. Also, you see the camera shaking, my cat is like rubbing up against it. So cute, so good. I also had this green belt that's like a stretchy kind of belt, and I thought that it would kind of look like the like sash thing where you put like your pins or whatever. And honestly, I wish that I put pins on it to show you guys, but I would definitely just like put some pins, like some Green Day pins or something like that on it, because I think that would just like make it more like authentic and look like actually like, yeah, Girl Scout type of thing. I kept the red lip, and then I added a brown headband, just because I feel like they usually wear something in their hair anyways. Like you kind of see it with like either like pigtails or like a beret or something. I honestly could have done a beret, but I just decided to do the headband just because I feel like it's more like something I would actually wear, and I like literally always wear a headband, so it just like was so fitting. I think it's really cute. Again, with that skirt, I can kind of play around with the length. If I want it short, I can definitely make it short, if you guys saw that. If not, I can totally just like put it, like pull it down, and then just kind of like, you know, just have it longer. But it definitely does the job. Honestly, I could even put like a brown belt too, to like just like emphasize and bring like the headband in a little bit more. But super cute. Just obviously, like, I don't know, you guys, just get creative. Just look in your closet and be like, what the heck can I do, and pull it out and pull it off. And honestly, if you feel like good in it, people are gonna be like, yeah, okay, you did something, you know? So just like, even if it's like literally like a black dress, do like super dark eye makeup, like a black lip or like a red lip, say you're like a vampire or something. Like, it's simple, you know? I'm just trying to throw out ideas to you. Also, if you want to see what I actually wore, I did like an angel kind of inspired look. Check out my Instagram, Angelina Montoya with 2 A's. It's like the last picture I posted. So yeah, so you can go see that outfit too if you want even more inspiration. Also, make sure you're subscribed here and like the video. Okay, so probably my favorite look in this video is gonna be the My Chemical Romance inspired Black Parade type of thing. I got this top from Shein and it kind of looked like just kind of like a band kind of jacket thing. So it was like, I can do the Black Parade. Like, My Chemical Romance, one of my favorite bands, and they're celebrating their like 15-year Black Parade. I'm gonna do it. So I put like super light foundation, just did like a big wing. Honestly, my makeup for this video, guys, like if I was like actually wearing these like for the day, like the night or whatever, they would have been done way better. But I was just kind of like, okay, I gotta film this video, I need to hurry up and get this video out. So I just like put like concealer over my lips. I just did like a black like line. I don't know, it's like dead. I don't know. And just kind of simple. And then I had this top from Shein that looked like a band kind of jacket thing. It's super cute. And I paired it with my Aliquid leather skirt, pleated leather skirt that I just got. And it was cute, but it looked a little bit too plain. So I put my gloves because hello, like band people wear gloves. So I was like, perfect. And then it needed something else. So I paired my like black little poof sleeve shirt underneath and just put like pigtails in my hair. I love it. I honestly kind of want to wear it out because it's so cute. It's so like weird and basic, and I feel like you can also just kind of like wear that out, honestly. But I love it. I love it so much. It's probably one of my favorites. Let me know which outfit from this video is your favorite. But I love that one just because like it's also like just like paying homage to like My Chemical Romance and stuff, and I love them. This last one is actually one that I've worn to a festival, but a different skirt. So I was going for like a fairy look, and I have this like top that I like cut out basically to be kind of like a tie top, kind of like 70s boho type, that I thrifted like years ago, that I wore to one of my favorite concerts that I've been to, and it was just a good time. But I had like a sequin skirt from ASOS that was the exact colors in the top, and I couldn't find it, so I put on this green one. But I think the green still works too because fairies are like, you know, like earthy, naturey type, so it kind of brings that in. I definitely would have put like my hair in like, you know, like probably like butterfly clips and just kind of added butterflies if I was going out. Honestly, accessories make your outfit better. It's gonna like really enhance your costume and like really bring that out. So if you can add accessories, do it. But yeah, so it was basically that. I also have like floral like leg wraps that I could have put on too, but again, I was just so rushed for this video, I'm so sorry. But you can find those at like your like Halloween Town Halloween Town? No, Spirit Halloween. Halloween Town's a movie, love that movie. But yeah, you can find those at like Spirit stores and stuff like that, and like random places. And like Savers too also does their own like Halloween kind of like costumes and like accessories, so you can find those anywhere. Go get you some. It's a simple outfit. If you have like kind of like a fairy style dress, literally just like throw some wings on and just say you're a fairy. So simple. Glitter eye, like put some glitter on your face. Very simple, very cute. Just be creative this Halloween. We're actually kind of getting a Halloween. It's obviously not the same, but we're getting some kind of a Halloween this year, which is so fun and so good. And it's like dressing up. Come on, we love that here, guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. If not, thank you. Again, let me know down in the comments which outfit you like the best. What are you wearing this year? Let me know. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Angelina Montoya, 2 A's, or my Snapchat, MMEOWZ. Thank you so much for watching and staying in touch. Bye, guys!